In this video, we are going to learn how we can migrate our website or online website into a localhost or on our XAMPP server, for example, in our computer. How we can create backups, and then we can migrate or shift into localhost or XAMPP. So this is very quick and easy. I'm going to show you 3 methods, and these all methods are easy and you can easily do that. So first method is using WP migration plugin. First of all, you need to go into plugins and click on add new and search for all-in-one WP migration. After searching all-in-one WP migration, you will see this plugin. Just click on install now and activate. Now you have installed the all-in-one WP migration. Click on export. So this is the option where you just need to click on export to file, and it will take few seconds and few minutes to prepare the export file. Now we go into our destination or a localhost. So how you can install the localhost XAMPP and how you can install WordPress, the video is attached into the description, and you can learn how you can install WordPress into your PC or computer. So this is our localhost or our computer panel, WordPress panel, and here you just need to click on plugins and click on add new, and in that the same plugin we need to install. This is called all-in-one WP migration. Now you can see this is the all-in-one WP migration. Just click on install now. Plugins has been installed, and just click on activate, and you can see the plugin has been activated. Now we go back into our export, and you can see the export file is ready. So just click on that button, download this backup, and you can see the backup downloading has been started. It will take few minutes to download the whole backup, and after that we can upload this backup into our localhost and the website will be live. Our backup file has been downloaded, and I'll go back into our source or destination, and in the destination, for example, this is our localhost destination, and here is the all-in-one WP migration, and click on import. Here in the import from file, you just need to drag and drop the file that is recently downloaded. We have downloaded from our website, okay, and we just gonna drag and drop our file. This is the downloaded file, the backup file, so I will just drag and drop here. So it will take a few seconds. Now you can see the import has been done. Now you can see that your import site has been imported successfully. Just click on finish. This was our localhost WordPress that were installed, and I refresh that. Now you can see everything is imported here successfully. So we can just see here, you can see everything is working fine, no any error here. And if you wanna log in, so the same login password that you was used for your source website, you need to enter here. For example, the login details that were here has been changed to the login details to the source website. So here I will add my username and password of our source website. Now you can see all the plugins that are in our source website. Here, as you can see, this is our source website, and all the plugins that are here also here are available in our dashboard of our localhost. So this is actually a backup. You can consider as a backup. You can save this as a backup in your localhost and so on. So you can also do modification and so on. So this is the first method. Now we learn the second method. With the second method, we learn how we can migrate our website to localhost via Duplicator plugin. Duplicator is a similar plugin that is all-in-one migration, but this is pretty much easy and technical, as well as if the first method does not work, this method will definitely work for you. So for that, we just need to go to plugins and click on add new. Keep in mind it is in our source website, not in localhost, okay, and search for Duplicator plugin. So this is a plugin that create backups, and then you can use these backups. Okay, this is the Duplicator plugin by Duplicator, and just click on install and click on activate. Now you can see this dashboard will be to you, so just click on create your first package. This is the package name, so just click on next, and it will create a backup file for you, and just click on build. It will take few seconds, or it can take a few minutes depending upon your server speed. Now an archive and an installer file is ready for you. So first of all, we will download the installer file. This is the PHP file. You can see this has been downloaded, and this is the archive file. So just need to download this archive file. So I will just click on start. So these two files we will need to import and for migration into our localhost. Now we have successfully downloaded the archive file and installer file. The both of files we have downloaded here. Now the next step is go to in your C drive and find XAMPP or WAMP. If you have installed XAMPP, you can navigate to the XAMPP, and if you have installed WAMP, you can navigate to the WAMP. Okay, so I will go into the XAMPP. In the XAMPP, you need to find out htdocs here. Just click on htdocs, and here you just need to create a new folder. For example, I just name it any name, you can name it, and just enter. So we have created a folder, and in that folder I will copy the downloaded files, the zip file as well as the install file. So I will copy that files and paste into our folder that we have recently created. Here this is our folder that we have recently created. So I will just open that folder and paste our files that I have downloaded. So the installer file and the zip file is here. So now we go into our browser and navigate here localhost / here, just name the folder that you have recently created. For example, so this is the folder name. You can see this is the folder name. So you just need to enter localhost / you need to enter the localhost / your folder name. You can see this is the folder name, and just click on enter. Now you can see there is an installer file and a zip file. So just click on installer.php. Now the initializing the installer, so just please wait. So just please wait for a few seconds. Now you can see this is the installer setup. So here you just need to enter the database name. So here we will go back into localhost and click on phpMyAdmin. In the phpMyAdmin, you just need to create a database. So you just click on new, and here you just need to enter any name. For example, I will just name it Uberspa2, or any name that you can do for your database. Just click on create, and the database has been created. And just go back into your startup, and here just need to paste your database name into user. Just write here root, and the password should be empty because for localhost there is no password, and the user for localhost is root. Okay, so this is the basically your database name. Just click on validate, and it will validate within few seconds that the database is available in our phpMyAdmin or not. So here you can see they have validated, so the database is available to us. So I will just click on accept and read the all terms, and just click on next. So here you can see they are asking for the site. So this is the Uberspa2. So this is how it works. So just click on activate. Okay, so this is extracting the all files into our localhost. Now the website has been migrated to the localhost or using Duplicator plugin. So you can see this is the notification. So just click on admin login, and after login your website will be live. This login is required because it will delete the dummy files from your WordPress. Now you can see everything is working fine into the dashboard, and if I visit or open the this localhost URL, because we have installed into that folder, you can see everything is working fine. As well as if you go into your folder, you can see the files are available here. You can see this is working fine. Okay, so this is the second method that how you can import your website into localhost using Duplicator. Now we talk about the third method. For third method, you just need to click on plugin, a new plugin, and now we are going to install WP File Manager plugin. Search here WP File Manager, and this is the file manager. Just click on install and click on activate. Now the plugin has been installed, and just click on this WP File Manager and click on File Manager. Just cut this off, we don't need that. And here you can see all our files are here, and just drag and drop here, and just click on Ctrl A from your keyboard, and here you can see there are a lot of options, and here is an icon that is called Create Archive. So just click on Create Archive and select here zip archive and name it backup. Okay, so you can just name it backup archive and just click on enter. So after entering, a complete zip file will be ready, including all these files. Now our backup file is ready. You can see this is the backup zip file is here. Now the second plugin is the WP PHP MyAdmin for WordPress. So here just click on plugins and click on add new. So this plugin will be installed for creating the backup of PHP MyAdmin and in downloading. So this is the first one plugin, and just click on install and click on activate. Here you can see this is the PHP MyAdmin, and here just click on enter to local PHP MyAdmin, and this is our database that you can import and export. So this here just click on export. Here you can see this is the button for export. Here is the button for export. Just click on export. So database is exporting. You can see the database has been downloaded. As well as go to file manager, and the backup file that we have recently created, just click on here, right click here and click on download. Now we have downloaded the zip file as well as the SQL file or database file. Now we have both files. Now I will let you know how you can migrate that. So you just need to copy that both file and go to in your localhost, and here is the XAMPP, and click on htdocs, and here you just need to create a new folder as we were created for method 2, for example, and I will say WordPress 3. Okay, so this is our third method. So this is the folder name, and just open that folder and paste the both files, backup file and the SQL file. And this is the backup file. Just click on right click here, and in that you just need to click on extract error. You can also extract files or extract here. So I will just extract all these files here, and then we will connect the database, create a database and connect the database with. Now you can see all the files has been extracted successfully, and now we go back into our PHP MyAdmin here in the localhost PHP MyAdmin and click on new. So we are going to create a database, and I will just say WordPress 3 as the database name, and just click on create. So database has been created, and now I will connect this database to this WordPress, and I will just go back into the files and search for WP config. This is the WP config, and now edit this file, and we need to connect our database here. And you can see in the database name, you just need to enter the database that we have recently created, and in the database user you just need to enter just root, and the password field should be empty. You can see this field is empty. This is root and this is the database name, and just click on save. So Ctrl+S, you just need to save this file, as it is. Okay, and just close that file. Now the database has been connected with the wp-config file. Now we go back, and here in the database we will just drag and drop the database file here. So just drag and drop here. So this file will be migrated here. So database will be migrated into our newly created database. Now you can see this is the success message that the database has been imported successfully. So I will just click here in our database name. Now you can see all the database and the columns are here, and here we will search for options, WP options, and in the options we need to change the URL. Okay, so this is very important, and here I will search for options, and you can see this is the WP options. Here the WP options, you will see your domain link will be here. So you just need to change this link to your localhost address. For example, our address will be localhost / the folder name that we have just created. So we have created the Uber Spa 3. So this is the folder. So I will just copy that URL and double click here and paste that URL here. Okay, so here you can see the URL will be updated. So now I will paste that into both, so site URL and home. So I will just go here in the browser and just enter and access this, and let's see is it working or not. Now you can see everything is working fine, and the home page is right now looking good, and you can also log in as you can just see the dashboard, and everything will be working. So I hope you like this video and you enjoy the 3 methods. And if any method does not work for you, or all these methods does not work for you, you can just comment below and send me the errors that you are facing. I will try to help you out there, and I will definitely help you. You can also email me.